think every year it's hot. Unless you get some rain, it's going to be hot tomorrow, and we are expecting another very hot and dry day. No real rain chances in the forecast. That's really in early August, all we can hope for to cool things down. Just know, end of September, cold fronts start moving through. It's coming. We just got some time to wait. We're still in the 90s outside at both Kenner and at Lakefront. 80 though at Belle Chase. Get away from the city and the lake water temperatures. It does cool down a bit. 78 at Galliano, but water temperatures are almost 90 degrees. 87 at Grand Isle. Dew points are a little bit lower than normal. Now, normally yesterday was the most humid day of the year. That is when we have the most moisture in the atmosphere, August 8th. Easy to remember because it's my wife's birthday. But dew points are in the 60s and low 70s. And while this is a far cry from being dry for early August, this doesn't feel too bad. And that has prevented the heat indices, even today, but more so into the coming days. It does prevent our heat indices from getting into that 108 plus range. And so the Weather Service is not going to issue a heat advisory for tomorrow, but still plenty hot. It's still plenty hot outside right now. But a dew point of 68, and believe it or not, when the dew points are a little bit lower, even at night, even 90 degrees, it doesn't feel terrible. That's the best we could do in August. It's not terrible. Light winds out of the north at 7 miles an hour. We are under mostly clear skies and a lot of sunshine over the next several days with this ridge of high pressure sitting over us. Now, what's interesting is there's a little complex of storms kind of weakening now over south central Texas. They're right underneath the high, so it's not as though you don't get any rain. It just really makes it more difficult. You need to have a fairly strong system to get more organized rainfall under an upper high, and this is going to be a pattern which continues through the weekend and really holds into next week. In fact, this upper high kind of settles right over us, and I think we might see more of those mid to upper 90s for a few days into next week. Then toward the end of the week, this upper troughing takes over, and this should bring us a better chance for some rain. So we will start to see rain chances coming back, but probably not until Friday and into next weekend. And until then, our temperatures go unchecked, and under the upper high, the temperatures tend to run fairly decent above normal. That's why we're expecting more the mid to upper 90s. Our tropical wave that we're highlighting being given a high chance of development. The models have been fairly consistent on developing something from this wave. It's certainly taken advantage of a lot of moisture nearby, and it has been designated as an invest, which means we'll start getting computer model runs on it. Now, at the moment, really no organization, but that upper troughing I was talking about, eventually that should help to turn the storm northward. And both the Euro and the GFS ensembles are indicating that turn away from the East Coast. Of course, a lot can and likely will change, but as of right now, not a threat for the Gulf. High temperatures in the coming days will be into the 90s. Our rain chances slim to none, maybe a better chance of rain toward the end of this coming week.